everybody. I wanted to do this little DIY that I had, but for some reason I kept losing the video footage. I filmed it like twice, and the whole section of the actual construction would just not, it would just not work. So what I thought I would do is do a little bit something different. So I done these placemat pillows basically, and they are roughly, I have $3 in both, to be specific. But what I did was is I just went to Walmart, and or you could go to anywhere really and get placemats, just as long as that they're double-sided. You know what I mean? Like they're like two pieces. So this year I knew that the buffalo plaid or buffalo check, there's numerous ways people say it, it's like really in right now. So I really just didn't want to go out and buy, you know, pillows basically for Christmas that I knew that I wasn't gonna probably reuse next year because it'd be the next fad, or it may, but you know, and I just wanted something to kind of tie in my Christmas decor with the red that I have on my dining room tree, which I think I am going to do a holiday apartment tour because I don't live in a house, so I can't do a house tour. But anyway, so I'm just going to kind of explain how to do these, if that is cool with everybody else. So like I said, I went to Walmart and I bought placemats. They were $1.50 each. So I basically slit them. I can't even really tell where that's the tag. I can't tell where I slit them. Well, I slit it about 3 inches here. Just enough to get my hand in. And then basically I just stuffed it with cotton. Now the cotton that I used was from an old pillow that I was going to throw away. But you could buy cotton or whatnot. But that is a really good tip. If you, because I don't know, but here cotton is just extremely expensive. So I don't know how it is in other parts of the country. But here it's expensive. But you can buy the pillows at Walmart that are like $2, and you can get way more cotton than what you can in a bag that you would buy at like other stores like Hobby Lobby, Joann's, whatnot, but you do get a coupon there. But still, I don't think they're going to be $2. So I got the $2, I just used the old pillow that I had. And I just filled this full of cotton. And then I took, you could sew it back together at the top. You could do a lot of things on it. But honestly, I took and I glued it. And you really can't even tell that I glued this. And I just thought that they would be cute in my little dining room chairs. And they are. And they just like add a little bit of, you know, holiday cheer. So like I said, they were $1.50 each. They are the flannel. They're really nice. They're really thick. What I wanted to do, and I just kind of ran out of time, was maybe put an A on them because of my last name. And in the South, you know, we monogram everything. Or maybe a Christmas deer or a Christmas reindeer I thought would look really, really great on that. But yeah, those are like simple touches that you can like put around your house that maybe it needs a little something, maybe in the chair, you know, for your house for Christmas time. And you can do this actually throughout the year. So yeah, like I said, I had a whole like construction of it. And then when I went to upload it to my computer, I basically just had beginning and end, and there was no middle. Don't you just hate that when it comes to that? And I'm really like rusty, not like the best at video editing, so I'm sure that there was a way to recover that footage. However, I really wanted to put this video up today, and I just really didn't have time. I've been running around all morning. I went to the gym, whoop, whoop, and you know, had to do my Monday grocery shopping for the week and whatnot. But I really just wanted to jump on here real quick and show you guys these little placemat pillows, because I just think they're adorable. for Christmas. You could do them, honestly, you could do them all year round. You know, get different ones, like holiday ones, like Easter, Halloween, because I'm always seeing placemats that are simply cheap, you know, out there. But yeah, guys, I really hope you kind of enjoyed this catastrophe of a DIY, but I think you get the, you know, the gist of it. It was just basically pick out a placemat that you like. Make sure that the placemat has two sides, you know, because there's some that, you know, are just one. But when you pick up a placemat, you'll be able to feel that there's two distinctly different sides, and then also there will be a seam right there to show you that. And then you just stick your hand in and stuff it full, and then like I said, you could sew it back. You could, you know, do all that, and it wouldn't take very much time at all. I just used fabric glue because I knew that, you know, they were just like $1.50 pillows. So yeah, that's where we're at with that. So I'm going to write the instructions and I'm going to put them down below because I know this video was like all over the place, but I just really wanted you guys to get this. You know, it might be, you know, like a cute gift to give somebody, you know, with their name on it. You could do a lot with that. You can buy bigger placemats, you can buy whatever. These were just like the little cheap ones. But these are, I'm surprised. Walmart is stepping up their game this year because this is really nice and thick, really soft material. But yeah, and I just put them in my chair. So, you know, make it all cute and stuff. So I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Again, I am so sorry about the shakiness of this video. You know, because I'm doing it on my phone because I'm just afraid to use that camera right now. But like I said, I hope you all enjoyed this and subscribe down below. And like I said, I'll put the directions in below to maybe you could follow them around a little bit better. And I hope you enjoyed this. I really like put in the effort to get a big, you know, DIY for you. Do it all good. But sometimes in life that just does not happen. And that was just one of those things that happened today with me. And I'd worked on it for a couple of days. But yeah, I wanted to like get it out in case someone wanted a last minute little Christmas gift, or you had to go somewhere to like an office party or something that you needed a cheap gift for somebody that you don't even know. You know what I'm saying? Like you could do that for like $1.50. That's awesome. Or family member, whatnot. I don't know. Do you, boo? But yeah. But thanks for watching, guys. I apologize once again for this video being so random and all over the place. And I hope you all have a wonderful, blessed day. And subscribe and like my video, guys. Give it a thumbs up. You all are awesome. And have a wonderful day. Bye.